Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's unboxing video, I'm going to unbox this power bank from Teclast, which I purchased online, and I'll leave the link to the shop where I bought it from right here in Ghana, so you can check it out. All right, so let's dive right into it. Okay, so as you can see, this is sealed and it comes in a very beautiful box. So let's unbox it. Let's take off this rubber. Put that somewhere. And you can see it is 20,000 milliamps and it charges 22.5 watts. And so let's see. Okay, so this comes out like that. Let's put this at this side and then let's take it out of the box. First, let's put this aside and let's look at this. So this is supposed to be the charger. I think it is a micro USB charger. But of course, unless you can charge it with USB Type-C for fast charging. So let's put that aside. I may never use that. And then let's go to the power bank itself. So this is the power bank. And let's take it out of the rubber. So you can see, this is it. Very beautiful, but kind of heavy. I wanted the black because I'll be using it a lot outdoors and I didn't want to get it dirty, but it seems the 20,000 milliamps. There is no black at the moment, so I went for the white one and I bought two actually. So that's it. And basically that's it. So to power it on, I think you would have to press here. So I'm hoping that this will turn on, or maybe I have to press a little longer. Let me see. Okay. Maybe I need to put it on charge first, so I don't know. But I'll come back with a review maybe some other time. But this is the unboxing and I'll leave the link in the description below. As you can see, the writing, the text over here. Okay, so it is T200 Pro. So I just connected it to a USB Type-C charger of my MacBook Pro and it turned on to be 73%. So I don't know, maybe I need to plug in something first. Okay, so that's it. 73% right out of the box. So let me connect my iPhone to it and see. So the USB Type-C here. And then let's take this out of the picture. And then this is an iPhone 6s. I'm recording with my other iPhone. So let's use this as the test. So as you can see, it is charging. And I believe this is supposed to charge. It's quick, fast technology. So that's it, guys. If you want one of these, I'll leave the link in the description below. If you're in Ghana, you can get it from them. And their delivery service is quite spectacular as well. I've not been paid to do this video. I bought this with my own money. And so this is my genuine unboxing and first reaction video. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you found this video useful. And again, I'll see you in the next video.